Et salut mon petit YouTube, on se retrouve aujourd'hui pour un épisode numéro 16 de Final Fantasy X. Du coup on est parti pour reprendre, moi ça fait plusieurs jours que j'ai pas joué, voire même peut-être plusieurs semaines, je me rappelle plus exactement. Donc voilà, on est reparti. On va se balader un peu avant de retourner... Alors j'ai la plaine foudroyée à redoubler de violence, patienter ici quelque temps. Ok, bon, on va pas se balader du coup. On s'est pris un stop. Allons-y. Allons ici, du coup. Oh, un petit coffre. Ok, une méga potion. On connaît ce style de RPG. Si on a une potion juste avant de rentrer dans une pièce, c'est qu'il y a moyen qu'il y ait du combat.
Why does he want to see me?
Ah, très bonne question. Pourquoi veut-il te voir?
I wonder what smells so nice.
Stay close to Yuna.
Ok.
Kimari not like Mr. Seymour.
Shh.
Kimari speak no more.
I don't like the smell of this one.
Frère, pas grand-chose qui plaît à Waka, hein. Soyons honnêtes.
These are the past leaders of the Guado.
They all look the same.
Mr. Seymour doesn't look like them, no.
Don't you know? The last leader, Maester Jiskel, wed a human woman. She was Seymour's mother.
Oh.
Ok.
This way, please. This way.
Ok, répète la même chose. Pour débloquer une action dans ce...
Go inform Lord Seymour. Please wait here.
Dans ce Final Fantasy, pour déclencher une action, faut absolument... Faut essayer d'ouvrir une porte, en fait. Tout le temps.
Stay on your guard.
Why? This guy is just a priest, right?
Those with power use that power. Maesters have power.
Wait. You sure you don't have something against Yevon?
I lived a long time in Zanarkand.
Ah.
C'est chelou le pendule là qui move. Bon, à part la Yuna, peut-être qu'elle sait quelque chose.
What could it be?
Mhm.
There's no temple here in Guadasalam, see? Summoners usually just pass through on their way elsewhere. What?
I didn't even ask a question and you're explaining things.
You'd rather I say nothing, then?
No. Maybe you finally believe I don't know anything about Spira. And maybe that means you believe me about Zanarkand, too?
Well, there are many things I do not know. Your Zanarkand is one of those things. I suppose I can't say what I think, either way. Still, be careful. You shouldn't tell other people.
Yeah, I know.
Ok. Bon, Waka du coup.
I get the feeling he called us up here for more than just...
This is good.
Truly, it is good to have guests again. Since Lord Jiskel passed away, these halls have been too quiet.
The death of Lord Jiskel was a great loss for all of Spira.
Was this Maester Jiskel really such a great guy?
He brought the teachings of Yevon to the Guado. He was truly a great man.
Truly a loss for us all. But now, a new leader, Lord Seymour, has come before us. Lord Seymour is the child of a Guado and a human. He will be the tie that binds our two races together.
Ok.
But that is not all, I think. Lord Seymour, he will surely become the shining star that lights the way
Ah oui, carrément.
for the peoples of Spira.
That is enough, Trummel. Must I always endure
On est dans
such
une secte, là.
praise? Welcome.
You wanted to see me?
Please, make yourselves at home. There's no rush.
Please keep this short. Yuna must rush.
Pardon me. It has been a long time since I had guests. Lady Yuna, this way. This sphere is a reconstruction created from the thoughts of the dead that wander the far.
C'est Arlaken.
Xanarkand?
Correct. Xanarkand, as it looked 1,000 years ago. The great and wondrous Machina city, Xanarkand. She once lived in this metropolis.
She who? Lady Yunalesca!
She was the first person to defeat sin and save the world from its ravages. And you have inherited her name.
It was my father who named me.
Lord Braska was entrusting you with a great task. He wanted you to face sin as Lady Yunalesca did. However, Lady Yunalesca did not save the world alone. To defeat the undefeatable sin, it took an unbreakable bond of love, of the kind that binds two hearts for eternity.
Elle a l'air gênée, Yuna. Waouh, sacrée descente, hein.
Wow, your face is beet red.
You okay?
Oh, he asked me to marry him.
You serious? Hey!
You know what Yuna must do.
Of course. Lady Yuna. No, all summoners are charged with bringing peace to Spira. But this means more than just defeating sin. She must ease the suffering of all Spira. She must be a leader for the people. I proposed to Lady Yuna as a Maester of Yevon.
Spira is no playhouse. A moment's diversion may amuse an audience, but it changes nothing.
Even so, the actors must play their parts. There's no need to answer right away. Please, think it over.
We will do so then. We leave.
Lady Yuna, I await your favorable reply.
Oh oui, c'est quasiment un ordre, là, à ce niveau-là. J'attends une réponse favorable.
Why are you still here, sir? I beg your pardon. We Guado are keen to the scent of the far plane.
Hein? À l'odeur de l'au-delà. Et Tidus qui le sent. Ok, dommage. Bon bah là on se sauve, hein.
Yuna, the High Summoner's daughter, Seymour, the leader of the Guado, married in the name of Yevon, overcoming the barriers of race. It would give Spira something cheery to talk about for a change.
Sounds just like a passing daydream, like Oren says.
Come on, let's just get on with the pilgrimage. I mean, marriage?
Jealous?
What? No way.
Mais
We
si,
gotta
il est
defeat
jaloux.
sin. Romance can wait.
You sure picked a fine time to lay this one on us.
Maybe it is a fine time.
You serious?
If my getting married would help Spira, if it would make people happy, if I could do that for people, maybe I should do what I can. I never imagined doing anything like this. But I won't answer till I know what's right.
Seriously?
You could always just quit your pilgrimage and get married.
I will. Go on. I'm sure that Lord Seymour will understand.
I guess so.
I am a summoner. I must fight and defeat sin.
Like Braska before you.
I had to stop myself from shouting. What's there to think about?
I'm going to the far plane. I'm going to see my father and think on this.
Go on. We'll be right behind you.
I wondered why none
Allez
of the
dans
others ever
l'au-delà.
asked Yuna. Do you love Seymour? Do you even like him?
Faut que j'aille par où? Il n'y avait pas une touche pour recruter les gens? Ah si. Bon. Je vous rappelle que l'au-delà est un lieu sacré, vous êtes prié de bien vous comporter. Ça va être compliqué avec Tidus, hein. Ah, ma cam s'est bloquée. Faudrait que je vois pourquoi, ça s'était pas reproduit depuis un moment. Hop, je verrai ça après, j'espère que ça s'est pas bloqué depuis un moment.
Question about this far plane. When somebody dies, a summoner sends them to the far plane, right? So their souls, or whatever they are, they go to the far plane, right? But that's the far plane we're going to, right? And Yuna's old man's there too? Do dead people live there or something?
You thinking those funny thoughts again, yeah? You'll see once we get there.
Aren't you coming?
I do not belong there.
On dirait qu'il vole.
You're scared.
Searching the past to find the future. This is all that is there. I need it not. You'd better be going.
You're not really going to see the dead. More like your memories of them. People think of their relatives, and the Fireflies react to them. They take on the form of the dead person. An illusion, nothing else. Well, have fun.
What? You're not going either, Riku?
I keep my memories inside.
Huh?
Memories are nice, but that's all they are.
Je pense que moi non plus j'irais pas, si j'avais l'opportunité d'y aller. Bon, le frère de Waka, soi-disant, ressemble à Tidus, mais là, avec la vue qu'on a, il y ressemble pas tant que ça. Hein. Ah ouais. Ah ouais, magnifique par contre. Faut se rappeler que le jeu a quasiment 20 ans, même si c'est un remaster.
The far plane was cool, but I couldn't stop thinking about Yuna. Her parents, they look so happy together. But it got me worried that maybe seeing them would make Yuna really consider Seymour's proposal.
Why don't you try calling
Pourquoi tu
someone?
n'essaies pas d'appeler quelqu'un?
All you
Tu n'as
have to
qu'à
do.
penser à une personne. Ok, on peut pas la déranger, elle.
Yo, Chapu! Meant to come see you earlier, yeah? Sorry. I know you won't hold it against me. I gave up that game. I'm a guardian from here on, you know? This guy looks a lot like you. Showed up. Traveling with him, I thought maybe you were still alive somewhere, yeah? But then again, here you are on the far plane. Guess your place is here. So, how you been? Oh, that guy I just told you about? I gave him your sword. He likes it.
Huh? Whoa. So, Yuna?
I've decided.
Oh, really? That's good.
I remember when I was only 7 years old in Bevel that day. My father had defeated Sin, and the whole town was out in the streets. Everyone was laughing. They all seemed so happy. If I defeated Sin, that would make everyone happy, wouldn't it? I must do what everyone wants, not just what I want.
Let's go back. You gotta tell Seymour.
Before that, call Sir Jet. Give it a try.
Huh?
Don't worry, he won't come.
Trying not to think about my old man made me think about him, of course.
See, told you.
He isn't here because he's not dead. He's Sin.
That means he's alive, you know.
What if my old man really is Sin? What would I say to Yuna? Heck, to everybody in Spira. Wait, why should I have to apologize for him anyway? I'd rather never see him again.
What makes you hate him so?
Everything he does just makes me mad. It was his fault that me and my mother...
Ah, par contre, s'il appelle sa mère, il la voit.
It's her.
She's very pretty.
But...
Ah, putain, la caméra c'est encore bloquée. Je verrai ça après le live du coup. Enfin, après la vidéo.
While she was still alive.
Whoa there. That's my mother you're talking about.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay. I think I just figured something out.
What?
Why I hate my old man.
See, so I told him what I thought of him right there.
What? Really?
Course.
I suppose, but... Mommy! Just a sec, dear.
Whenever my old man was around, my mother wouldn't even look at me. Maybe that's when I started to resent him, even hate him. When he left us, Mom just lost her energy.
Is she all right?
Why should you care?
If she dies, I wouldn't know what to do.
Don't say Mom is gonna die.
I apologize.
The old lady next door told me, when a lovebird dies, the one left behind, it just gives up living so it can join its mate. It was just like that. I hated my old man even more. But really, my old man...
Mommy! Just a sec, dear.
Go to him. He'll cry if you don't.
Oh, man. I must sound so stupid.
I don't think so.
How embarrassing.
Well, need some more time.
No. I'm ready.
Did I miss something?
Thanks for waiting. I'll go give my answer to Maester Seymour.
Lord Jiskel! Oh, Lord Jiskel!
He does not belong here.
Why?
Yuna, send him.
Jiskel.
He is Lord Jiskel no more. Send him now.
Ok. Oh, bah là je suis un peu grand quand même.
Talk
Hop.
later. We leave now.
J'ai réussi à remettre ma vidéo, j'espère que ça
What
replantera
was
pas
that
tout de
just
suite.
now? That really Lord Jiskel?
I don't understand how a man like Lord Jiskel can die and not be sent.
I would think that he was sent once, but he stayed on Spira. Something, a powerful emotion, could have bound him to this world. Such things happen.
That's against the rules, isn't it?
It means he died an unclean death.
Ok, pas une mort digne. Dans mes souvenirs, on s'affrontait contre un fantôme. Là, je vois que c'est pas le cas, mais bon. Je sais que dans mes souvenirs, c'était le cas en tout cas. Ok.
I will go. Meet with Maester Seymour.
Yuna! Jiskel is the Guado's problem, not yours.
What?
So Lulu, what do you think about Yuna getting married?
As long as the pilgrimage continues, either way's fine.
That's it? What if she doesn't even like the guy? Is that okay?
People marry for many reasons.
What's that mean?
Sometimes marriage doesn't require love, you know? Defeat sin and bring joy to the people of Spira. Get married and bring joy to the people of Spira. For Yuna, they're just two ways down the same road. All you need is determination. If you have that, you don't need love.
I don't know. I just don't get it.
Bon, du coup, faut parler à tout le monde, je pense.
I was a little worried about what was gonna happen, yeah?
We leave as soon as Yuna returns. I trust you'll be ready.
Listen, if Yuna gets married, then
What? That again?
Yes, if she is to marry, I would want her to marry for love.
See?
But if Yuna said she wanted to marry the one she loves, I would have to object.
Huh? You're not making much sense.
I know.
En vrai, je comprends, ça voudrait dire qu'elle se détourne de son objectif.
When we leave here, we have to go through the Thunder Plains.
Il y a un peu de crainte hein, dans sa voix. Il est où notre copain qui marie là? Du coup, je regarde régulièrement la caméra pour voir si elle plante pas. Kimari, on l'a perdu. Oh, le couping. Ah bah, au moins on trouve un coffre. Plutôt positif. Toi, hop.
We leave as soon as Yuna returns.
For a while there, I was a little worried.
Lulu?
I've talked enough about that.
What?
I'm sorry, just forget about it.
Jeez, Grumpy.
You'll understand one of these days. I just don't want to give it words, not yet. I shouldn't have to say this, but don't fall in love with her.
Ah. J'ai envie de répondre trop tard. Ah non, ou t'es plus mon style, mon type.
Interesting. I suppose I could add you to my list. I wish you good luck, little boy. You're going to need it.
My, was the Lady Summoner not with you?
No, she's at Seymour's
That's Maester Seymour, or Lord Seymour.
Oh, I'll be careful. Sorry.
That's all right. Oh, Maester Seymour left Guado Salam a short while ago.
You serious?
I believe he went to the temple in Makalania. Maester Seymour is also the high priest of that temple.
Whoa, I gotta tell the others.
Ça fait un moment qu'elle s'est absentée quand même pour ne voir personne.
Lord Jiskel, please tell me. What can I do to help?
Yuna, let's go!
They say Seymour went to Macarena Temple.
Makalania Temple.
Alright?
What I don't get is, why would the Lord Maester head off without a peep to anyone?
Maybe he wasn't expecting Yuna's answer so soon.
Ah, that's probably it.
Yuna, what is it?
Oh, nothing.
You're a poor liar.
It's true, it's nothing. Come on, let's go.
Allez, on va continuer jusqu'au prochain point de sauvegarde et on coupera la vidéo à ce moment-là.
Oh no, we're here.
How are we supposed to cross that?
See the lightning rod towers? The lightning is drawn to them, hopefully.
We head north, not too near and not too far from the towers, yeah?
Meaning we should avoid wide open areas.
I think I forgot something in Guado Salam.
Nice knowing you.
Okay, I'll go.
Traverser la plaine foudroyée. Dans la plaine foudroyée de Gandalf, la foudre peut tomber sur Tidus. Personne ne peut dire où et quand la foudre va tomber. Restez debout et rêvassez est ce qu'il y a de plus dangereux. Rejoignez le plus vite possible les tours paratonnerres. La foudre ne tombe jamais à leurs pieds. Ce sont des refuges. Si par malheur vous êtes trop loin d'une tour, quand la foudre s'abat, vous pouvez tenter de l'esquiver en appuyant sur B. Il est cependant déconseillé d'appuyer sur B de façon répétitive. Bon voyage. On est arrivé au bout, là. On va prendre le coffre sur la route. On a réussi la première esquive, c'est cool. Ah, bon, j'ai raté la deuxième, j'étais pas concentré. Ok, bon, premier combat. Mhm. Allez, toi t'es mort. Ah non? Oh merde, ok. Toi on va faire spécial... Non. Technique, Ryuken... Sur lui. J'aurais dû taper l'oiseau, je pense. Ok, raté. Allez, éliminé. Ça fera un peu de pex quand même pour notre petit Titus. On va récupérer le coffre avant. Hop. 2 potions plus. Ah bah, un combat, et après on va couper là. On va faire un Ryuken sur lui, voir ce que ça fait. Rien, ok. Allez, vas-y, tue-le du premier coup cette fois. Toujours pas. Elle va falloir la pex, celle-là. Et voilà, parfait. Ah merde. Bon. Hop. On va sauvegarder ici. Je vous remercie mon petit YouTube d'avoir regardé la vidéo. J'espère que vous avez aimé la vidéo. Pensez à liker, vous abonner. Vous connaissez le petit, la petite musique des youtubeurs. À la prochaine. On se retrouve demain pour une prochaine vidéo. Tchuss.